Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make plantain fufu from scratch. So I have 2 plantain here. Make sure you get the one that is yellow, that has some yellowing and some black spot on it. Okay, you're gonna cut up the plantain into small cubes, and then we're gonna add it into the blender. Okay, add some water, half cup of water, blend till it's smooth. Okay, once you've blended it, you're going to add it into a pot. I would suggest you use a non-stick pan or pot to cook this, so that way it doesn't burn. So you just stir and keep stirring till it forms a dough. Keep stirring a little bit. If you stir and it's still soft, you can add some cassava flour. I'm adding 2 tablespoons total of cassava flour. All right, so you just mix. Very easy recipe, unhealthy, no chemicals. So that's the 2nd spoon I'm adding of the cassava flour. So I just mix and mix till I get the consistency I want, which is soft but not too soft. And then that's it. Very easy. I'm using this saran wrap, which is BPA free, to wrap the plantain fufu. All right, so you can eat this with anything you want. You can eat it with okra, with egusi soup. Very delicious and easy recipe to try. Okay, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and please comment below if you've tried something like this before. I'm gonna be eating mine with some vegetable soup. Very easy. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.